Quarter 2 review, questions 24 through 26. 24 through 26 are laws of exponents problems. This is the last unit that we just completed. So for question number 24, I'm not going to help you at all. You can do this on your own. It's a division problem. So it's one step. You just do the cross out stuff and you're done. So remember, what's in the numerator stays in the numerator. What's in the denominator stays in the denominator. After you do everything, after you do all the crossing out, that is. Okay, for 25, before I can divide, I have to simplify the numerator by multiplying. So 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. I've got g squared, and then I've got h to the fifth and h to the third. So there's only one g term. I just bring it down. For the h to the fifth and to the h to the third, though, when you multiply, you add exponents. So you need to add those exponents together to get that exponent there. I'm just going to bring the denominator down. So I've got 16 g to the 8th, h to the 4th. Now I divide. Start with my coefficients. Use the fraction button. I'm not going to tell you what that is. Whatever you got in the calculator, the one number will go in the numerator, and then the other one will go in the denominator. For your g terms, g to the second has the smaller exponent. Cross out the 8. Remember, you subtract when dividing. So subtract to find your new exponent. For the h's, I will tell you that the h to the 4th is the smaller exponent. So whatever you got up here, you'll have to cross it out. And then you will subtract to get that exponent. So my final answer would have that in the numerator. That number in the denominator. H is in the numerator. And G is in the denominator. And that is it for question 25. If you have any questions on that one, feel free to ask. 26. Question 26. Before I can divide, I have to simplify the denominator by doing power of a product. So I'm going to write negative 2 to the third off to the side because I'm taking the coefficient to the exponent. I'm not going to do anything with the numerator, so I just bring it down. The denominator, I start with negative 2 to the third, which is negative 8. And then I multiply exponents. So you're going to multiply those exponents to get that. And then multiply there. To get your h exponent. Now you're ready to divide. Start with your coefficients. Use the N over D button. It will give you a fraction. So whatever is in the numerator, you'll write it on top. Whatever's in the denominator goes on the bottom. Then we divide our variable terms. I will tell you that g to the third is the smaller variable. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that out. You would subtract to find your new exponent. I'm going to squeeze it in there. All right, and then you're on your own for the h terms. Okay, you're on your own for the h terms, and you're actually going to be on your own for the final answer. That's all the farther I'm going to help you with 26. Finish by dividing your h terms and then rewrite your answer. If you have any questions on 24 through 26, please let me know.